Volvo CX 3.2 front left window regulator not working. We replace window regulator, new one. We replace motors, and nothing's make it work. What happened is a black wire coming out of this and connecting in there. It's broken right at the plug, right at the connection. So we have to jump the black wire from here. I don't know if you can see it. No, it's hard to see. To inside, and right now it's connecting the black wire out of the boot, and now we have to plug and work all the rest of the wires to the plug. The only one we take it out is the black wire, and we added a little piece of wire to connect it inside on this harness. Is coming in there. So if you don't find any information about this, it's because nobody did it before. Window regulator don't working on CX90. All the CX90 from Volvo, all different Volvos of the driver's side. To take off the whole door panel, it's easy. It's many videos, but not a single video about this. So we had to drill a little hole inside there to pass an extra wire to hook them up the black wire.